Hi, Nathan from Equipco, here to talk to you today about our E300 and E400 flow meters. E300, which I've highlighted just now on the screen, has a 3-digit display and a 6-digit totalizer, while the E400 has a 4-digit display and an 8-digit totalizer. Aside from these differences in display, they're very similar in operation. Both meters have 25mm female BSP ports for fitting into new or existing systems. Both meters work within a flow range of 20 to 120 litres per minute. Anything under this flow range means the meter could become inaccurate, whilst running it over carries the risk of seriously damaging the meter's internals. They have a recalibration screw as well for easy in-field calibration, ensuring high accuracy within 1% when calibrated correctly. The display can be rotated into 4 different positions, allowing the meter to easily match your setup. The standard models are suitable for diesel, with upgraded models available with Viton seals for petrol and kerosene. The internal measuring chamber runs off the nutating disc principle. We'll have a separate video covering how this type of measurement works in more depth. Thanks for watching.